I mentioned the antenna comes with the Velcro wraps on it, which is a very nice touch, but I'm going to do a little bit of an upgrade. I find this style here that you can get off of eBay or Amazon works pretty cool because, as you can see, it attaches to itself, so that way you don't misplace it or put it around or anywhere. If I do this right, these two little strips of Velcro will always be on the antenna. You will notice here that I've already wrapped a pretty good length of electrical tape on the end of it. 2 reasons. That way I will know which is the long leg and which is the short leg when I take things out, because that might be critical depending on the space I'm setting it up in. And then it's also nice to have probably about 2 or 3 feet of electrical tape with me in the field in case I gotta make some emergency repairs.